you some facts about our environment. So here I have made one thing from which I am going to tell you that how you can save the environment and how you can help the earth. So here on the first page, I'm going to tell you some ways from which you can save the water. So and you all know that water is very important for us. You all know that we cannot live without water. We need water to stay. So here are some ways from which you can save the water. So first way is that don't leave the tap dropping. Buy water saving device and take only 5 to 7 minutes shower. And one more thing is that don't throw garbage in the rivers and keep them clean. So the second is ways to save energy. So the first way to save energy is that switch off the computer when not using and switch off the lights and fans when not in a room. Then the next is reduce. So reduce means, what is reduce? Reduce means decrease the use of something which is harmful to the environment. So here I have taken example of pollution. So ways to decrease the pollution are walk or ride a cycle to go nearby places. Instead of using car, you can use cycle or walk to nearby places. Then if you do like this, less fuel is used and less pollution will be there. And if you do these two things, then there will be less air pollution. Then the next is ways to reuse. Reuse means, what is reuse? Reuse means use of something. Means there are some clothes, plastic bags which we can use again instead of throwing them in the dustbin. So here are some examples which we can reuse. So plastic bags we can reuse, books also we can reuse, and clothes. You know that nowadays mask is very important. So you have seen some videos from which some people are making mask from t-shirts. So it is also a kind of reuse. You also have seen my best out of waste videos. In that also I have done reuse. It is also an example of reuse. Next, there are some ways from which you can recycle some things. So here are 3 to 4 things. One is newspaper, then cardboard, glass jars, plastic box. These all things, instead of throwing, you can recycle. There are also some factories which recycle these things and make a safe and new product. So here I have told you so many ways to save the environment. And yes, there is one more thing which is very important from which you can save the environment, which is plantation. So I am going to do plantation today. So here, as I told you, I have reused one plastic bottle and I have colored it instead of throwing it in the dustbin. So I am going to plant one tulsi plant. As you know that plants are very important and it helps to clean the air and gives us oxygen, fresh air. So I am going to plant one tree. And as we do lunch every day, also you have to give some water to the plants. Like me, you all can also plant a tree or a small plant like me on regular basis, as they give us so many useful things like oxygen, medicine, fruits, paper, and flowers. And be safe, plant more and more trees.